Top 10 crazy plant facts you've never heard before. Hi guys, welcome to Weirdly Shorts, your daily dose of the weirdest facts from the natural world. What if I told you there are plants that move, explode, and even hunt insects? Get ready to have your mind blown because we're diving into the top 10 craziest plant facts you've never heard before. First up, the Venus flytrap. This carnivorous plant lures unsuspecting insects with sweet nectar. Once an insect touches the trigger hairs inside, the trap snaps shut in a fraction of a second. It's like a real life plant monster. The flytrap then slowly digests its prey, absorbing all the nutrients. Have you ever seen a plant that plays dead? Meet Mimosa pudica, also known as the sensitive plant. Touch its leaves and they instantly fold up. This defense mechanism startles herbivores and protects the plant from harm. Next, we have the sandbox tree, also known as the dynamite tree. Its seed pods explode with incredible force, launching seeds at speeds of up to 160 miles per hour. Imagine walking through a forest and suddenly hearing a series of loud pops. That's the sandbox tree doing its thing. Prepare your nose for the corpse flower. This giant bloom emits a powerful odor of rotting flesh. The stench attracts carrion beetles and flies, which pollinate the flower. It's a truly bizarre and unforgettable experience. Did you know that some trees can clone themselves? Pando, a massive colony of quaking aspen trees, is one such example. All the trees in Pando are genetically identical and share a single root system. It's considered one of the largest and oldest living organisms on Earth. Believe it or not, some plants can count and track time. Sundews, for example, use their sticky tentacles to trap insects. They can distinguish between different types of prey and even remember when they last caught something. Talk about plant intelligence. Pitcher plants are masters of deception. They lure insects into their pitcher-shaped leaves with sweet scents and colorful patterns. Once inside, the insects can't escape and are digested by the plant's enzymes. It's a gruesome but fascinating way to survive. Resurrection plants are true survivors. They can withstand extreme dehydration and appear completely dead. But when water returns, they miraculously spring back to life. It's like watching a plant come back from the grave. Bamboo is known for its rapid growth, but some species have an even more surprising secret. They only bloom once every century. This mass flowering event is a spectacle to behold, but it also signals the end of the bamboo's life cycle. Last but not least, tomatoes can scream. Well, sort of. When stressed, they emit ultrasonic sounds that are inaudible to humans. Scientists believe these sounds may be a form of communication, warning other plants of danger. Who knew tomatoes had so much to say? So, which plant fact blew your mind the most? Or do you know one that's even crazier? Drop it in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more weird wonders from nature.